And we're back again with Cooking with Zalana, and today I'm gonna show you how I make my sushi. The same old recipe that I've been using over maybe 10 years. Never changed my recipe. It comes out perfect each time. Very simple and very tasty. Original recipe of sushi has raw fish. I don't like raw fish, so that's why I use smoked salmon. I use smoked whitefish salad. I use fresh cucumbers and I use pickles. Another ingredient that I use is scallions. You can use herrings as well. Scallions give it a good tasty kick. Fry your sushi. Unfortunately, on this video I will not be able to show you how I do the fried sushi. The rice that I use for this sushi is a Kakuho Rose premium quality rice. For the sushi rice, I take 4 cups of rice. Make sure you wash the rice until the water is clear. After you wash the rice, just add 4 cups of regular cold water. Later on, when the rice is gonna be ready, I will use rice vinegar, which is seasoned rice vinegar. First 15 minutes of the rice making, put it on a medium flame, and that's how it's supposed to bubble. I open it just to show you. You guys don't open the lid. Then reduce it to a low flame, and that's how it's supposed to look like for another 15 minutes. So far the rice was on the fire total 30 minutes, and that's how it looks like after 30 minutes being on fire. I cover it. Sometimes I mix it, sometimes I don't. And this particular time I did mix it, and I cover for another 15 minutes without fire. Okay guys, the rice is ready already. It's hot. At this point I add half a cup of rice vinegar, the one that I showed you before, seasoned rice vinegar, and you start mixing fast. Mixing, and ideally is to have a fan so the rice will cool off faster while you're mixing it with the fan. Ideally, obviously, is to mix the rice on a wooden bowl and with a wooden spoon. Okay guys, for the tuna, 2 cans of tuna, 1 tablespoon of mayo, a little bit of hot, a little bit of salt, and mix it all together. That's it. This is ready for the hot tuna. If you guys want to make it more hot, make it more hot. Okay guys, so you take roasted sushi seaweed. They come like in a box. There is a rough area and a smooth area. We're gonna put the rough area on top. Okay. When you're working with the rice, ideally is to have wet hands. I usually plate a little plate with water next to me, and I just work with the rice. That way the rice doesn't stick to the hands that much. Make sure you stick the rice to the seaweed as thinly and as evenly as possible. For the salmon avocado cucumber roll, I basically take 3 pieces of salmon fish. Make sure you put them evenly. Then you take 1 cucumber and avocado and place it next to each other. Don't forget to add scallions in each roll. It gives it a great taste to the sushi. I know it's not traditional, but that's what I add and I love it. This time I didn't have it in my refrigerator, so I didn't add it. For those of you who don't have the bamboo rolling mat, it's not a big deal. You can roll it like that with hands. Ideally, obviously, is to get it. And for those of you who are interested, check out my description below for the affiliated links for those products. So once you're done rolling the sushi, you basically press it hard like a square shape with this bamboo sushi mat, and the sushis are ready. You're ready to cut them and eat them. Enjoy with, I don't know, soy sauce, with ginger and wasabi. And from now on, it's basically your imagination. You can flip the seaweed with the rice down. And this is, I put the hot tuna on top. And you just roll it and the sushi is ready. Basically, use your imagination to decorate the sushi as nicely as you can and as tasty as you're gonna think that it's gonna taste for your taste buds. So in this particular sushi roll, I put pickles, I put avocado, and a hot tuna spicy that I made before. And again, basically roll it. You can decorate with dark sesame seeds, white sesame seeds. You can do mix. Do it as you wish, so it's not right or wrong. And if you don't want to do the tuna salad, you can also take the white smoked fish and it's ready. It's a little different, but it's something that it's ready. You just spread it on top and that's it. Sometimes I put also, instead of avocado, I put some mangoes or kiwis. It also tastes great. Those are the white sesame seeds that I used on top. This is smoked salmon with the rice on top. You can do the same thing with the rice on the bottom with the smoked salmon. Again, if you like raw fish, you use raw fish, obviously. As I said, I don't like it. That's it, basically. It's simple, it's easy. A lot of people were asking me to post this video, and now I think the time came, so I was able to do it. And I just want to say thank you for those who are sharing my videos, who are liking my videos, who are giving me compliments and being part of this. For those of you who are new, please subscribe to my channel if you like those type of videos. And enjoy your day. Bye bye. See you on my next videos.